I may ask you, what is the center of mass of this part? So if you go to evaluate and mass properties, and the center of mass, it will be 4.65, 15, and negative 4.32. Okay, so that's from this x direction, and those are x direction, y direction, z direction. And where is this measured from? That is from this default origin right here. That happened to be like somewhere in the middle, right there at the bottom here. And it has like x goes this that way, y go upward, and z coming toward me. And that's a default. So depending on how you build it, depending on how you locate your origin, the answer to the center of mass will be different. Okay, so one person will be different from another depending on how we build it. But if everyone wants to be the same, let's say the coordinate system has to be at this corner, right? Then you have to build your own coordinate system using this reference coordinate system. And you select the origin point. I have the vertex there, and select this axis here. That's an x-axis. And then you have y-axis. You can either choose a line or any planes that is normal direction on that one. And you don't have to select all three, because if you make it two, the other third will be automatically determined. So if you select another one, that'll be redundant. And if you want to flip that direction, you can choose these buttons. So you can flip different directions. Okay. So maybe I just want that. Okay. So this X, Y, Z. Okay. RGB. And I have this no coordinate system. So when it comes to measure the center of mass, evaluate mass properties, it'll show the same number because it's still using the coordinate value relative to the default. But if you open the drop-down menu, you'll see that coordinate system 1, okay, that you just created. And if you choose that, now it's recalculated based on that coordinate system. So that graphic area, that's where your center of mass is of this part. And its location relative to the coordinate system is in x direction 20.68, y is 15, and z will be negative 34.65. Okay. So this way, you can check if your model is correctly built. If you have a reference part and have the same coordinate system set up, and your center of mass will be at the same location.